Hey guys, we're going to be installing this SIP front suspension. So now this is what we're working on. We're going to go up here. We're going to disconnect these two bolts. Then here, we're going to remove these two. And then we should be able to pull out the stock suspension. So to remove these two bolts, we're going to be using a 6mm Allen. And then I just have some extension here to make the work easier. Now we're going to be working on those two top bolts. Just like that. Then now you can just remove it by hand. Just to give you guys a comparison from our stock suspension to the SIP. Here's the SIP right there. So this is the stock one. This is our new one from SIP, and you can see how short this one is. And then next thing you want to do is to remove this plate up here. We're going to transfer it to the new suspension. We're going to be using a 17mm socket. And then we're just going to transfer everything to the new one. So just the same order like how we remove it from the stock suspension. So on this install, we need to do some modification on the stock caliper bracket. So this part, you have to shave it because this part is hitting this one. So this part is hitting this. So now we just have to shave it until we can mount this flush. So I'm just using a Dremel just to work my way in, and then once it's flat enough, we can test fit the suspension. So this is how much grinding we had to do. I did a test fit and we were able to install the bolts. So now we're just going to mount the suspension on the top and then connect this one right here. There we have it. We have it on. Now let's go ahead and install the wheels. So as you can see, after we lowered the Vespa, if we use our side stand, the Vespa is almost straight up. Not advisable to use the stock side stand. You should at least get the shorter one or cut and weld the one that you have, just so you can have more lean towards the left. Thank you guys for watching another install video on our Vespa Sprint Justin Bieber. And as you can see, the work, it's not that hard. You just have to be patient and have the proper tools. I suggest you guys do it instead of bringing it to a shop. At least you get to know how to work on your scooter. Again, thank you guys for watching, and thank you to our new subscriber. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.